US dollar against Japanese yen this week has rise in value, and it was against the previous week analysis, because I was expecting that the price will drop down in value because of this candle formation, but the week started with a bullish candle, continued to rise in value all the way to the 144.39 resistance level, and then making a bullish breakout all the way to the next resistance level of 146. The price on the Thursday formed this bullish breakout, continued to rise in value and reached 148.90 resistance level. Now this week has closed as a bullish, probably we can see that easily, where the price has formed a bullish breakout and reached the next resistance level of 148. The month before has closed as a bearish. We can see that here. It was an indication of the further bearish momentum that has been all the way for the 2 months before that. Current week, the month has just started with this week pretty strong bullish, and we can see the price has returned all the way back up to 148.90, which could also, if the price stays above, it will invalidate this bearish breakout, suggesting further rise in value against Japanese yen. Will that happen? This is something that we need to wait on the small time frames, but what we can see is that the price is on 148.90, which means the price has formed a strong bullish candle reaching the resistance level. Now it needs to make a bullish breakout above in order to continue to rise in value. Will that happen? This is something that we need to wait for a week, but the daily is something that we can also use until the week closes. But we can see the price has reached the resistance level, so there is probability that the price retraces back down slightly before attempting to go above. Now for now I am waiting for the price to make a bullish breakout above or returns back down, going all the way to this support level 146.51 and then making a bearish breakout, which would suggest further decline down. What will happen? This is something that we need to wait, but we can see that this support and the resistance levels are very important, especially this one, the resistance that needs to be broken, because it is also monthly and the weekly resistance. So for now I'm waiting outside to see how the market behaves, what will the market do, and then act accordingly with the market. Now, how to make this support and resistance levels and also supply demand zones, which are very important levels, in order to make trading properly. You can also get that strategy from myself inside the PDF. A PDF I will share with you on the link below in the description, so you can also check if you would like to check that PDF. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.